Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jamaica here, and I'm back again with another video. If you're new here, I'd love it if you subscribe and join the family, and if you're not new, thank you so much boo for coming back and watching another video. So if you want to see how I got this everyday makeup look, keep on watching.
I just hit them with the low cut, then call my folks up. Somebody about to get poked up, go call a tow truck. All that talking out your neck might just get your dough cut.
This is a Mack truck, not the black truck. When we move, tell them back up. Click, click, clack, duck. Pull up bands, pull up shaft.
Guys, so first things first, I'm going to use my Milk Hydro Grip Primer to prime my skin. And I used a little bit too much, guys, but it's okay. I love this primer. So I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me foundations after I finish priming, and I'm going to use two shades. I'm going to use 340 and 360 because I'm getting a little bit lighter because of this whole quarantine thing, girl. But yeah, I'm just going to be using those two shades. Guys, so I used a big fluffy brush to blend out my foundation, and guys, it added such a flawless finish. I saw my girl Brianna Monique here on YouTube do this in one of her videos, and I said I had to try it, and it added such a flawless look. I love this technique. Boop bobbity boop, we're blended to the gods, sis. So now I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place concealer in the shade number 8, and I'm just going to apply this under my eyes just to cover up a little bit of darkness, and then I'm going to use the shade 12 to actually highlight. Here I'm just taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade medium beige because I felt like my face was a little bit too dark because obviously the 360 foundation overpowered the 340. So I'm just using this to highlight a little bit more to add a little bit more lightness. So I didn't show you guys this, but here I'm just setting with my Sacha Buttercup powder, and I also use this powder to bake, guys. I will never stop baking. I love baking, guys. Baking is life. Now I'm just gonna set all over the face with my Super Stay foundation powder in the shade 355 Coconut, and then I'm going to bronze using my Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I'm going to use that brown golden, like warm tone brown to bronze up my face. Now I'll be going in with my Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm using the shade Dark to Deep, and I'm using the Sculpt shade to actually contour. For my eyes, guys, I'm just basically blending out the leftover concealer that I blended earlier, and I'm just going to add that same warm tone brown from the Zulu palette just to add a flush of color over my eyes. I'm gonna add my lashes, girl. These lashes are from Blush by Nicki. That's my girl Blush by Nicki. Guys, I will link her page down below. I love these lashes so much. I use them on myself and on my clients. And here I'm just going to blend out my baking powder, you know, pat that in for beautiful soft skin, girl. Flawless. Just adding a little bit of blush, and then I'm gonna set my face with the Sasha Cosmetics setting spray. What is this, the Fix Tip spray? I don't remember what's the name exactly, but I'm using that. And then I'm going to go in and just add some of that brown warm tone shade under my eyes. I'll be going in with my Montecute Beauty Glow Mist, and guys, as you can see, it was blinding me, but I'm just using this just to add a little bit of glow, but not using highlighter. And then I'm going in with my Chestnut lip liner, and I'm going to line my lips, and I'm using this Beauty Cosmetics lipstick. I don't know the name of this shade again, guys. And then I'm going to add some clear gloss on top. Here I'm just adding some white liner, guys. I know this looks weird, but this is the only way I can add liner to my waterline. I'm so sorry, but this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up if you love this look. You know, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all my social media. They will all be linked down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.